day 2 here on Icon of the Seas. We took our time this morning. We did some unpacking. It's Katie's birthday. We celebrated with her, opened some presents, had some coffee and danishes for breakfast, and got the room in order. I'm actually surprisingly really loving this infinite balcony here. We did have it open for a little bit, but it's nice to just sit here and have a whole wall view of the ocean. So here she is, the birthday girl. How was the start of your 9th year, Katie? We tried to declutter a little bit. I'm not sure. Your favorite birthday decoration? There you go. All right, guys. Kev, what's one of your favorite things about this room?
The chocolate.
I think it's time to get the show on the road.
She makes it! Woohoo!
Show me how you get a golf ball here.
So you would hold that out, and then push up,
and
then normally one would come out.
Oh, there you go. All right.
And then you return your ball on the other side.
In the pattern. Oh! Right, you just got a hole. Right, he's got a hole in one on his very first shot. All right, Kevin, you got the same luck. And then here we go. We come over here. Oh, there we go. I mean, that was fun. I'm glad I did it. Try it.
Of course, you should.
Yes, I love pickleball. I like to play basketball.
I know, it's gonna. Look at this stuff. That's something else. Edie,
We're doing it. We're doing it. Please.
Katie, do we have to come back here later? No? Not even for a birthday milkshake? Oh, right now. I think we're gonna eat some lunch first, okay?
Pretzels, tots, hot dogs, all included.
I want pretzels.
How are they? Oh, Kevy. Pretzel bites and cheese sauce. Go ahead, Kev. You do a taste test for me.
The kids are trying the pretzel bites, so I'm going to try the hot dog and the tots, and we'll let you know about all the included stuff. Which is pretty good.
Thank you. Thank you, Liana.
Is going to be showing off your body, all right, showing off your body. So they're right here, they're all lined up, they're ready to go. I'll call them out one by one. DJ Sharon's going to play a bit of music for you. His sexiest feature, he says, is his body. Give it up for Juan. Let's clap it out for Juan. From California, he says his best asset are his dance moves. We're about to find out his dance moves. Ladies and gents, go crazy for Mike! There we go, that was Mike, ladies and gents. Give it up for Mike. Very good.
Hi, Katie. Are you having a fun day?
Yeah.
What are we going to do next?
We're gonna go to the water side because the lines are too long. We're gonna go back tomorrow. We're gonna go get ready for dinner.
Sounds like a good idea. There he is. Hey, Kev. You having a good day?
Yeah.
Yeah? We just watched the sexiest man contest, which was phenomenal, but I gotta say it was rigged. Definitely something was going on there because I have a feeling the right person didn't win. If you want to check that out, I'm going to try to post some here, but go over to Beach Please and check out their channel because I have a feeling they may have some content up there about that. Definitely a good show. So we'll see if we can catch some water slides and then head out to formal night for dinner, the MTR. Katie, you got lots of nice little birthday messages there.
Here we are on our way down to deck 3 for dinner. It is formal night. We look good. I mean, so does everybody else, but we look good too. And we're going to head down to deck 3 and we're going to meet our main dining room servers because we missed dinner last night because of this iconic sail away. So right now, it is main dining room time. It is, how you guys looking? Oh, we got friends with us too. All right, dinner with friends, here we go.
Happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday.
right there, fellas. All right, Kevin, why don't you sit over here, bud? How's your table, Mommy?
Oh, it's fantastic. I love this table. It's been a while since we've been close to a window, so it's nice. Fruit.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then what kind of do you want? Do you want chicken fingers and french fries or mac and cheese? Chicken fingers. Okay.
Alrighty, chicken finger.
And dessert is?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip cookie.
Your favorite.
Right up.
A roast beef tenderloin.
Got the same thing. Katie.
What do you got, Katie? What do you got?
Chicken nuggies.
Chicken nuggets. Well, we had some main dining room dinner. We got our pictures. And one of the things we love the most is just walking through the promenade. So we're gonna take a quick stroll through here before we go get changed. And then see Wizard of Oz. Well, it's a day 2 wrap up. This is your favorite spot on the ship?
It was my most anticipated spot, and it is definitely the coolest spot. I don't know if it's my favorite spot, but
There's a lot of favorite spots on
definitely
this ship.
appreciate it for sure. All right, so let's talk about day 2. So we woke up this morning, we took our time, we visited the pool, we
Little
did
atypical.
do a couple water slides, but really we explored the ship. We kind of didn't know exactly where we wanted to go. One of our, probably, if you could talk like pros and cons, one of our favorite things about the ship, and one of maybe like our least favorite things about the ship, is there's so much to do, so many places to go. We don't know
Yeah.
where to go. And, you know, it's kind of like, where do I want to be?
It's not a bad thing.
No, it's not a bad thing.
It's not a good thing. It's not a bad thing. It's just where's the right spot for us?
Until this is your ship. And
Yeah.
until you know this ship, you're not going to know where your favorite place is, and you're going to have to explore.
But tomorrow, we have the benefit of today's research.
Yes, we need it today. We need it today.
Yes.
So now that we had today, tomorrow we have a plan. We had a great day too. I feel like this is like no cruise we've ever done before. Would you
It's
agree?
very different.
Very different.
I gotta tell you, I like this promenade. It's just wide open.
We are sitting in the Pearl, which is part of the structure of the ship. How cool was Wizard of Oz tonight?
I wish I would have stayed awake through the whole thing. I'm just.
Guys, Wizard of Oz was so cool. I mean, phenomenal performers. Katie was bug-eyed the entire time on her knees.
Katie
Just
loved it.
Brian did too, and
Oh,
Kevin, the kids
Yeah,
were
kids
in
absolutely
awe.
loved it.
And we had a late show, so for them to see a 9:30 show that goes until 11 o'clock, I mean, that's pretty late for them.
There's been some shows we put them in that they're not a fan of, and
check
they
out
were
Wizard of Oz.
definitely dialed into this one. Absolutely dialed
All right,
in.
guys. So anyway, tomorrow morning, day 3, day at sea. Mom might, I don't know, take a nap.
We might need it now.
Check it
It's
out.
a busy ship.
Yeah, if you haven't already, hit the like button. Thank you for watching. If you find this at all helpful, if you find this at all entertaining, we really appreciate your support. Hit the like button. It helps us a lot. And,
make sure you-
it's just a click for you. So anyway,
Stick around for day 3, and we'll see you on the seas.
check out one of these videos right here.